Okay, sorry guys. I did not mean Christmas lights. It was another video that I'm about to record because I was going to put the Christmas light video in there, but it wouldn't let me. I had it downloaded, so yep. So I'm sorry, and I will put some promo codes after this video, which I did before. Yeah, you know what I mean. I'm just gonna record a different video. I have Fortnite now, so yeah, and yeah, I will post a Fortnite video, which might be in a long time. Yeah, I'm just kidding. So I'm just gonna record a video. I really don't know what to do. What did I get? That's new. I got an RC car for Christmas. I haven't uploaded in a long time. I haven't uploaded since October. But I got this RC car for Christmas. And I will drive it for y'all. Even though I'm not supposed to be driving this in my house. But if y'all didn't hear me that whole time, I'm sorry. But I will put some promo codes, and I'm driving that. I'm not sure if y'all heard me or not that whole time, so. How would I get a good angle? Dude, I don't know. So I'll just put y'all over here. On the camera right now, it looks like my house is backwards, but when I do it, it's not backwards. So yeah. And it also has some lights. Look. Wait, I'll turn them off. Wait, why is it not working? Oh, yeah. That is awesome. That is crazy. Okay, I gotta move some stuff. I'm about to break some stuff. Dude, look, I can make it even go faster. I often tell this is meant to go outside. I don't want to go outside, just so you know. It's so powerful. Wait. Ah! Ouch! Look. Oh, it's so cool. It's like so powerful. Don't walk in here. I'm behind my door. I know. I hurt you. What are you doing? How do I do a wheelie? I forgot how. I'm sorry y'all can't see me, but. I love it. It's so funny. So. bumping it so hard. I'm not sure if it'll turn me sideways, but if it does, I'm sorry. I'm gonna change it because I'm not sure if it's turning me sideways or not. But I'm gonna turn this off. Wait, where's the button at? Okay, right there. Look, I'm just gonna drive it. I'm gonna drive it, and then I'm gonna pull it back. It broke. I don't know what happened. But I could soon make I'm gonna try to see if I can make a whatever this is called, like a thumbnail, because like my thumbnail, because I had to like put my thumbnail in, but I don't have a computer to do that, so I had to do this. Okay, I'm not sure if that worked or not, but bye. Okay, guys, I'm not sure if you'll like that or not, but yeah. So the first promo code will be right here. Not sure if you can see it. Right there. And the second one, that first one was for Roblox. And the next one is for Subway Surfers, which will give you 9 keys. It's going to be right here. So bye.